What are some healthy recipes that involve arrowroot powder?
Hello there, health enthusiasts. Today, we're going to explore arrowroot powder, a healthy and versatile ingredient that you can use in numerous recipes. Derived from the arrowroot plant, it's an excellent gluten-free substitute for cornstarch, acting as a great thickener in sauces, gravies, and baking.
Why arrowroot powder?
Arrowroot powder is not only a fantastic thickening agent, but it also has several health benefits. It's easy to digest, low in calories, and rich in potassium, iron, and B vitamins. Not only does it provide your body with essential nutrients, but it's also a great option for those with dietary restrictions, as it's gluten-free, vegan, and paleo-friendly.
Recipe 1: Gluten-Free Berry Crumble.
Nothing beats a delicious, warm berry crumble, especially one that's gluten-free. Here's what you'll need. Filling: 4 cups mixed berries, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 2 tablespoons arrowroot powder, 1/4 cup honey or maple syrup. Crumble: 1 cup gluten-free oats, 1/2 cup almond meal, 1/4 cup melted coconut oil, 2 tablespoons maple syrup or honey, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions: 1. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. 2. Toss the berries, lemon juice, arrowroot powder, and sweetener of choice in a bowl. Set aside. 3. In another bowl, combine all the crumble ingredients. 4. Pour the berry mixture into a baking dish, and evenly sprinkle the crumble mixture on top. 5. Bake for 30 minutes, or until the top is golden brown and the berries are bubbling. 6. Let it cool before serving.
Recipe 2: Vegan Gravy.
A good gravy is a must-have, and with arrowroot powder, we can make a delicious vegan version. Here's the recipe. Ingredients: 2 cups vegetable broth, 1/4 cup tamari or soy sauce, 1/4 cup nutritional yeast, 2 tablespoons arrowroot powder, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon onion powder, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. In a saucepan, combine all the ingredients except for the arrowroot powder. Bring to a simmer. 2. In a small bowl, mix the arrowroot powder with 2 tablespoons of water to create a slurry. 3. Gradually add the arrowroot slurry to the saucepan, whisking constantly until the gravy thickens. 4. Adjust the seasoning if necessary and serve over mashed potatoes, roasted veggies, or vegan roast. These are just 2 of the many wonderful ways to use arrowroot powder in your healthy recipes. It's a versatile ingredient that not only enhances the texture of your dishes but also contributes to your dietary wellness. We hope you find these recipes helpful and delicious. Stay tuned for more healthy culinary adventures.